I think a question you want to it's a question for the ages. Yani go balance the expectations. I think it has become a full-time job. Might there when most people don't really understand the magnitude of my role.
Yes.
And the jurisdiction of my position. Not only here, but also back in Minnesota. But you know, it doesn't. It's a heavy responsibility, but also it's not hard. I think enjoy. I know that my priority now want to in office, right?
Yes.
My voters in my district in Brooklyn Park and Asio, now they are my number one priority. So everything I do, it has to be in association with the value that I'm bringing to not only my constituency but the state of Minnesota. And then if there's other things, Naruto.
Yes.
And so the biggest challenge with this role, I think, I don't know if you were going to ask me that, I might as well just answer that, is balancing those expectations. And there's me, I'm one of those people that is very open. You don't go with that's possible, that's not possible. Because a lot of times, you want to, I find out that you want to just please. But I can't do that. Because I want to be very honest. Yes. Even that alone, even that still happens. But really, my priority.